Welcome, friends. Today, I invite you to explore a profound concept known as the mirror principle, a significant insight that has the power to transform our reality. If you've ever wondered why certain patterns keep repeating in your life or why certain types of people and situations keep appearing, understanding this principle can provide clarity and empower you to create a positive shift in your life. The mirror principle suggests that the external world reflects our internal state. It means that our reality is a mirror of what we hold inside, our beliefs, feelings, thoughts, and deepest convictions. If we do not change our internal landscape, the external will remain unchanged. Let's start with our first lesson, understanding the internal reflection. Everything that happens to us can be a reflection of something within us. If you find yourself repeatedly facing challenges with relationships, it may reflect unresolved issues or beliefs about yourself and others. If financial hardship is a recurring theme, it might mirror underlying beliefs about your worth or what you feel you deserve. The external world acts as a feedback mechanism for the internal processes we may not be consciously aware of. Now I invite you to reflect on a specific situation in your life that continues to be a source of struggle or discomfort. Consider what feelings this situation evokes in you. Often, we are quick to assign responsibility to external factors or other people. However, the mirror principle guides us to look deeper. What if the external situation is just a reflection of how you feel about yourself? For example, if you often feel undervalued at work, could this reflect your internal dialogue about your worth and capabilities? The universe is always communicating with us, and through these reflections, it asks us to notice these internal dialogues and beliefs. The next step is to observe without judgment. Observing our thoughts, feelings, and reactions as they arise without attaching to them or criticizing ourselves allows us to gain insight into what we are projecting onto the world. This is where meditation and mindfulness can be incredibly helpful tools. They enable us to become aware of our mental and emotional patterns without being overwhelmed by them. Now, let's explore how to shift these internal patterns. This involves identifying negative beliefs and consciously choosing to adopt more positive and empowering beliefs. For instance, if you believe that you are always overlooked, start affirming your value. Regularly remind yourself of your strengths and contributions. It's not just about positive thinking, but about realigning your self-perception so it supports your growth and happiness. Would you like to know more about how to actively engage with this transformative process? Let's continue in the next part of our discussion. Resonating with reality. How changing your vibrational frequency can transform your life. In the realm of personal development and spiritual growth, the concept of the mirror principle offers a fascinating insight into how we can deliberately shape our reality. Central to this principle is the idea of our vibrational frequency, the unique energetic rate at which each of us operates. It's a profound notion that suggests our personal vibration directly influences the quality of our lives. By understanding and adjusting this frequency, we can not only alter our experiences but also transform our reality in tangible ways. Vibrational frequency is affected by various factors including our thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and actions. Essentially, it is the energetic expression of our internal state, broadcasted into the universe. According to the mirror principle, our reality is a reflection of this frequency. When we are positive and vibrant, we attract positive experiences effortlessly. Conversely, when our frequency is low, mired in negativity, the world seems to respond with equal gloom, intensifying our challenges and creating a cycle that can be hard to break. Reflecting on personal experiences can illustrate this principle vividly. Consider a time when life felt exceptionally smooth, where everything seemed to fall into place without strain. Now, recall a period filled with challenges and notice the difference in your emotional state during those times. This isn't mere coincidence, it's a reflection of the energy you were emitting. Changing our vibrational frequency begins with cultivating a deep awareness of our current emotional and mental states. Regular self-reflection is crucial. By frequently checking in with ourselves, asking, "How do I feel?" or "What am I thinking about?" we can start to recognize patterns and triggers that affect our energy levels. Once we become aware of our vibrational state, the next step is to actively choose to elevate it. This can be achieved through various activities that enhance our mood and overall sense of well-being. Listening to uplifting music, spending time in nature, or engaging in yoga are not merely recreational activities. They are transformative practices that can recalibrate our energy and increase our vibrational frequency. The words we speak and the thoughts we entertain also play a critical role in shaping our vibration. Adopting a gratitude practice can have a revolutionary impact on our outlook and vibrational state. By simply noting down things we are grateful for each day, we shift our focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in our lives. This shift is powerful. Gratitude not only raises our vibration but also changes the way we perceive and interact with the world around us. However, maintaining a high vibrational frequency is not always straightforward, especially during challenging times. Resilience becomes key here. This resilience involves more than just enduring. It requires a proactive stance on maintaining positivity and hope, regardless of circumstances. The ability to bounce back from setbacks and maintain a hopeful perspective is essential for sustaining a high frequency. Maintaining this elevated state allows for a life that feels more in flow, where positive experiences and opportunities come with ease and grace. It's a state where we are more in tune with the universe, and our own capacity to influence our reality is maximized. Are you ready to take this knowledge and integrate it into your daily life? The practical application of these concepts is not just about occasional practice, but a consistent, deliberate choice to operate at a higher vibrational level. This choice influences not only how we feel, but also the reality we experience. As we continue to delve deeper into the implications of the mirror principle, it becomes clear that the power to change our reality lies within our grasp. By understanding and adjusting our vibrational frequency, we unlock the potential to not only transform our personal experiences, but also influence the world around us in positive, meaningful ways. Let this be an invitation to you to start tuning into your own vibrational frequency more consciously. Observe how it correlates with the events and interactions in your life. Through this heightened awareness and deliberate action, watch as the world mirrors back the vibrant energy you choose to emit. This is not just transformative. It is the essence of creating a life that resonates deeply with your truest desires and highest aspirations. Harnessing the transformative power of resilience. A mirror into personal growth. In this third segment, we focus on the lesson of resilience in the face of reflections. Resilience is not just about recovering from difficulties. It's about using challenges as a mirror to reflect on our internal state and learning how to adapt and thrive. Resilience is the capacity to bounce back from adversity. But within the context of the mirror principle, it takes on a deeper significance. It involves seeing challenges not as obstacles but as mirrors reflecting areas within ourselves that need attention and growth. This perspective shift is crucial for profound personal transformation. When we face difficulties, our typical reaction might be frustration or discouragement. However, applying the mirror principle, we can view these challenges as valuable feedback about our internal state and vibrational frequency. For instance, if you repeatedly encounter obstacles in your relationships, instead of blaming external circumstances, you can use these experiences as cues to examine your relationship with yourself. Are there insecurities, fears, or patterns that are being mirrored in your interactions with others? Developing resilience involves acknowledging these reflections without judgment. This acknowledgement is the first step towards change. It requires an openness to understand and learn from these challenges. Ask yourself, what is this situation teaching me? What aspects of myself are being reflected here, and how can I grow from this experience? One practical way to build resilience is through reframing your mindset. Reframing involves shifting how you perceive a situation, seeing it as an opportunity for growth rather than a setback. This doesn't mean dismissing the difficulty, but rather changing your narrative about it. For example, if you're struggling with financial instability, instead of seeing it as a failure, you could view it as a chance to develop new financial management skills or to explore alternative sources of income. Another aspect of resilience is emotional regulation. This means learning to manage your emotional responses to situations, which directly influences your vibrational frequency. Techniques such as deep breathing, mindfulness, and meditation can help you maintain equilibrium in the face of stress, thus keeping your vibration high. Finally, cultivating a support system is essential. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Relationships that foster growth and positivity can greatly enhance your resilience. They not only provide emotional support but also reflect the kind of energy you want to embody. Now, consider how resilience can transform your ability to navigate life's challenges more effectively. Are you ready to delve into practical steps to apply these insights in your daily life? Let's explore this in the next part of our conversation. The art of aligning within. Mastering the mirror principle for conscious living. In this final segment, we focus on practical application, living the mirror principle. Now that we understand how our internal world reflects our external reality, and we've discussed changing our vibrational frequency and building resilience, let's explore how to integrate these insights into our daily lives. Living the mirror principle involves continuous self-reflection and adjustment. It's a dynamic process of observing your reflections in the world around you, understanding what they signify, and making conscious changes to align your internal state with the reality you wish to create. Start by setting aside time each day for self-reflection. This could be a quiet moment in the morning or an evening meditation. Use this time to check in with yourself. What are my thoughts today? What emotions am I holding on to? How are these internal states reflecting in my external world? This daily practice cultivates a heightened awareness of your internal landscape and its manifestations in your life. Next, actively choose responses that align with the reality you want to create. When faced with decisions, big or small, ask yourself, does this choice reflect the person I want to be? Does it match the vibrational frequency I'm aiming to maintain? This mindful decision-making process ensures that your actions are consistently aligning with your desired outcomes. Moreover, embrace flexibility in your beliefs and behaviors. The mirror principle teaches us that as we change, our reality changes. Therefore, be open to evolving your perspectives and behaviors as you learn and grow. This might mean adopting new habits, letting go of outdated beliefs, or even changing your environment to better support your growth. Lastly, embrace the journey of transformation. Living the mirror principle is not a destination but a continuous path of growth and discovery. Celebrate your progress, learn from your reflections, and remain open to the endless possibilities that change brings. As we conclude our exploration of the mirror principle, remember that the power to change your reality rests within you. Each moment offers a new opportunity to reflect, choose, and act in ways that align with the life you aspire to live. Thank to all of you for joining me in this significant journey. By understanding and applying the mirror principle, you are not only transforming your own life but also contributing to a more conscious and reflective world. Let's continue to reflect the best within us, creating a reality that truly mirrors our highest selves.